Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have something different for you guys today. I have a bulk mystery box. Well, liquidation box. I'm not going to say mystery. I know what's in it. I bought two of them. I'm not sure exactly which one this is. I bought a home and garden box, which is everything was new. And then I also bought an uninspected return home and garden. So we'll see which one this is. I know it's in the box, but I'm not sure what shape it's going to be in. So let's open it up. Let's see which one I got up here, and then I'll show you some of the stuff in there and also give you an honest review of what's in here. So let's see what's in here. It's not too heavy, but it's also not light. They were shipped by UPS. They came pretty quick. These were purchased from their eBay store. So if you want to check them out, if you want to buy one for yourself, there's a ton on there. So, okay, this is the uninspected return box. I also have it printed out so I kind of know what's on there. Okay, I got my sheet. I printed this off their eBay page just so I know what everything is going through. And honestly, looking at it, it looks pretty good. I mean, this stuff looks kind of new so far. So, let's turn this around so that big piece is in your face. Okay, that's better. This one had a total of 18 pieces in it. So, the first thing I see is a Homedics Total Comfort Personal Humidifier. Looks like it may have been open, but I don't think it was ever used. So there was a total of, and I see at least one here, one here, one here, another one, and another one. That's a total of 5 of them, and none of them look like they've been used. So, and there's nothing on here where it says that there was 5 of them. So that's kind of interesting. Next thing we have, Sound Spa Portable Home Spa. It says there should be 3 of them in here. This one looks like it's been brand new, never been opened. Actually, this one might have been open. There should be 3 of them, but I only see 2. Oh, here's the third one. Oh no, that's not it either. Wow, I'm getting all confused here. So there's actually 2 instead of 3. One has been open. One is actually still sealed. The next thing, I am not sure what's in this bag. We'll save that one for last. Here we have a portable humidifier. It looks like it's been opened. It looks like you stick a bottle of water on it. So this is a portable humidifier. Water bottle humidifier. It says there's 4 of them in here, and they retail for $24.99. So there's one there. It looks like they've all been opened. Maybe another one that's just a package only. And I'm wondering if that's what's in this thing. It's hard to say, because I don't see another one. So maybe, you know what, we're going to open up this one right now in this bag. Let's see if that's what it is. Maybe this is it. Yeah, that's exactly what this is. It's actually a bottle humidifier. Doesn't even look like it's been used. Somebody just returned it in the bag. So there was 4 of those. The next thing we have is a My Baby. Let's see what it says on here. I'm not even sure what this is. My Baby. I don't know. Maybe it's a portable spa machine. I'm not sure, but we'll have to do some research into that. because it doesn't really say what it is, and it doesn't it doesn't look like the package. So next, we have a Homedics. It's been opened. Total Clean Replacement HEPA type air filter. Should have been one in here. Let's see. Let's see if it's been used, because that's what we don't want. We don't want something used. I could sell an open box item with no problem, but nope, it's still new, just open box. A little damage to the box. I mean, that thing retails for $44.99. So I think in total, out of the 2 boxes that we have, I have the number, I'll say it in the next video, but I think it was like $180 or $170. It's basically a $1.70 item, $1.78 per item out of all of them, because I think there's a total of 80 items over both boxes. So check out the next video too, showing the next box. The next item is a portable sanitizer wand. There's one of these in here. Looks like it has been opened. We'll see if it's been used whenever I open them up. These retail for $60. The next thing, I am not sure what this big bag. Oh, this is a ultrasonic humidifier with aroma. I'm not sure if it's been used. I don't even think it's been used. I just think, no, brand new, no box. So these retail for $49.99. 3 more items. Actually, there's this one too. Another, portable sanitizer bag. Actually, it is listed. It's called Process Validation though. So this retails for $99.99. Looks like it's been opened. Not sure if it's been used. We'll double check whenever we go through everything to take the pictures. 2 more things. We have Elia Open Your Senses Cordless Diffuser. This retails for $69.99, and it's hard to, I don't know if it's been opened or not. It doesn't look like it's been opened. The tape's still sealed, so I really don't know if I want to open that. Check it. But it does. It looks like it's still sealed, so that's nice. And the last and final thing in this box, we have a cordless double barrel body massager. It has been opened, I think, by the looks of it. This retails for $109.99. Let's see if it's been used. It's really hard to tell if it's been used. So that was my first box with these, and honestly, I was expecting way worse. Yeah, some of the boxes have damage, some of them are open, but I definitely think, I mean, I basically have to make $2 per item to get my money back. And I don't honestly think that's going to be an issue. I think some of this stuff will actually go pretty well, especially once I open it up and test it. I don't think there's going to be much time into that. So overall, I feel good about this, and I would purchase another one. I would definitely do your research on their eBay page or their website, and they list what's in it. So you can do some research beforehand by looking up items and checking prices just to see if they sell. But no, I'm definitely happy with this. There's even more stuff on the floor. But yeah, stay posted for the second video. I have another box also. That's a totally different one. But stay posted for that. And if you have any questions, reach out. We're going to start putting out some different types of videos too and changing some stuff up. So if you're interested in any of this stuff, reach out, let us know. Also, remember, like, share, and subscribe. We're over that 100 subscriber mark. We want to stay there. Once we stay over it, we're going to do a giveaway. We're not sure what yet, so we'll see. But till next time, guys, keep picking. Bye.